Generally, I will say to anybody in any business, do what you do well and hire somebody who does what they do well. Do that. Save yourself the time. You're already going to be stressed out, cleaning the place up and getting stuff off the walls and boxing things up. Let somebody else come in and guide you through that process and do a great job for you so that you will have what you want. I'm not to say that somebody's not going to get great photos on an iPhone, because that's irrational to say that. There are beautiful photos made on iPhones, but somebody who's not a photographer, who does this work particularly, isn't going to see that space the way it needs to be seen for photographs. It's one thing to walk in and, when you walk into a space, your eye sees the whole space. When you shoot, my eye is in the viewfinder and I'm focused on what I am looking at that point. So that allows me to see the little details that should be there and things that shouldn't be there and move stuff around so that something isn't blocking a window. The other thing I do with, especially direct to seller like that is, of course I will say, hey, have a look at my website, see if you like that look. This is what I'm going to give you. And if they still say no, then ask me what you need to ask me. I will give you some tips on how to shoot this appropriately. But then I'm still going to say, call me, because please just call me. I'm just going to do a great job. Save you the aggro.